Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Muhammad Alif Hakim bin SAIPULBAHRI, and under the supervision of Dr. Farah Natasha binti Abdul Manan, I am presenting my final year project proposal titled Restaurant Review Analysis and Visualization System using Text Clustering. To begin with the background, we live in an era where customers constantly leave feedback on online platforms. However, the vast majority of this data is unstructured text. Analyzing thousands of reviews manually is incredibly time consuming. Therefore, there is a critical need for automated text analysis to extract meaningful insight. This leads to three specific problems. First, the rapid growth of food platform has created a massive volume of reviews. As noted by Sharma, Gupta, and Turai, this makes manual analysis completely inefficient and impractical. Second, research by Kausari highlight that because reviews are predominantly unstructured text, it is difficult to extract meaningful insight using conventional methods. Third, Yigi Xiaolu and Chen point out that there is a lack of effective visualization tools. Without these tools, stakeholders struggle to interpret the data and use it for decision making. To solve these problems, the study is guided by three research questions. Question 1: how can TF-IDF vectorization convert unstructured text into numerical features? Question 2: how can K-means clustering accurately group similar reviews to identify themes? Question 3: how can a Power BI dashboard effectively visualize this insight? Accordingly, the research objectives are: Objective 1: to apply TF-IDF vectorization for effective feature extraction. Objective 2: to implement K-means clustering to categorize the reviews. Objective 3: to develop an interactive dashboard that visualizes this cluster and restaurant location. For the scope, I will use a Kaggle dataset of English language reviews. The core techniques applied are TF-IDF for weighting keywords and K-means for the clustering logic. The visualization tool used will be Microsoft Power BI. This research is significant for restaurant owners to improve service quality, researchers as a reference for tax mining applications, and decision makers for strategic planning based on customer feedback. Based on my literature review, I benchmarked my work against Turai et al. They successfully utilized TF-IDF and K-means to cluster restaurant reviews into teams. However, their study had a limitation. It provided no aspect level insights and lacked an interactive tool for stakeholders. My project addresses this by integrating a Power BI dashboard, which allows users to visualize these patterns dynamically rather than just seeing static results. Now, looking at the system architecture, the system flows from raw review analysis through the data modeling phase, where the algorithms process the text, and outputs to the visualization module. This slide contains two tables detailing the initial phases. The first table outlines preliminary studies, focusing on problem identification. The second table details knowledge acquisition, specifically data collection and pre-processing. This involves selecting the correct Kaggle dataset and cleaning the text to ensure it is ready for analysis. This final table details the technical execution. It covers system design, implementation, and result analysis. In this phase, I will design the system workflow, write the code for the clustering algorithms, and finally evaluate the accuracy of the cluster before integrating them into the dashboard. My expected final product is shown here. It will feature cluster reviews grouped by themes like food quality, identify patterns showing recurring customer feedback, and an interactive dashboard allowing users to filter and explore the data. Finally, here is my Gantt chart. It outlines the complete timeline for the semesters, ensuring that all phases from planning to final documentation are completed on schedule. That concludes my proposal defense. Thank you for your time and attention.